Evolution of cyber threat. Today's digital technology has transformed the world into a global village, and with it, the cyber threats landscape has also evolved. Creeper, the first computer virus, came into existence in 1971. Elk Cloner, the first Mac virus, occurred in 1982. Brain, the first PC virus, appeared in 1986. AIDS Trojan, the first public case of a ransomware attack, reported in 1989. The first phishing attack happened in 1994. CryptoLocker, the first ransomware which demanded payment via Bitcoin, reported in 2013. Tox, the first toolkit for ransomware as a service, was made available in 2015. Cyber threats are evolving faster than one could imagine. We need to stay ahead of this game with a non-traditional innovative cybersecurity technology. Advanced cyber threats require technological breakthroughs to nullify them. The X-phy AI embedded Cybersecure SSD has revolutionized the world of cybersecurity. X-phy's high-functioning threat detection features are embedded into the firmware and hardware sensors to detect anomalies and data access patterns. As a result, your critical data remains protected and defended against all cyber attacks and threats. New standard in cybersecurity. The X-phy